Hello, let's get started with this food post. So I have added an image and here I have used magic expand tool. So now I'm adjusting the image and adding some texts. After adding text, I'm adding some crunch into it. And then I'm adding a logo into the top corner and some smoke. Here I have copied this image and remove the background, so we could get the only samosa plate. Okay, so we could place the smokes behind the cutout. Now I will add company name here. Reduce the size of the font and change the color, place it. Now I'm adding an order now button.
Okay, the post is ready. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe my channel.